In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the median in Google Sheets. This is a really handy skill, especially if you work with data and want to quickly understand the central tendency of your data set. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to make sure you have Google Sheets open. You can do this by navigating to the Google Sheets application in your web browser and creating a new spreadsheet or opening an existing one where you have your data set up. Once your spreadsheet is open and ready, head over to cell D3. Clicking on D3 is important because this is where we want our median calculation to appear. Position yourself there, ensuring that this is the active cell, as this will help you maintain your spreadsheet's organization and clarity. Now, it's time to use the formula. In cell D3, you'll need to type in the formula exactly as follows. Add median, B2, B8. Be certain to begin with an equal sign, which tells Google Sheets that you're inputting a formula. The word median is the function that Google Sheets uses to calculate the median, and within the parentheses, B2, B8 indicates the range of cells from which you want to calculate the median. This range must be adjusted depending on where your data is located, so always double-check these references to ensure accuracy. After entering your formula, simply hit the Enter key on your keyboard. By doing this, you prompt Google Sheets to execute the formula and display the result directly in cell D3. And there you have it. The median of your selected dataset will be displayed right there in D3. Finding the median in a Google Sheet is really that straightforward. It's a great way to easily get valuable insights from your data without extensive calculations. A tip to keep in mind is that Google Sheets recalculates formulas automatically when you change the data in your referenced range, so your median will always be up to date with the latest data. If you have a larger or more complex dataset, you can use similar formulas to calculate other statistical values like the mean or mode, which can aid in a deeper understanding of your data. Meanwhile, the median function provides a clear measure that can help you see patterns or trends in your numbers that might not be as obvious. So now you know how to find that all-important median in Google Sheets. I hope you found this guide helpful. Use this knowledge to make your data work better for you and make informed decisions based on what you find. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.